Recovering from addiction to a person can be a challenging journey, but it's essential for your well-being. In this video, we'll explore 5 steps to help you heal and regain control of your life. The first step is to admit that you're addicted to a person. Recognize that this attachment is unhealthy and may be causing harm to your mental and emotional health. Reach out to a therapist or counselor specializing in addiction and relationships. They can provide you with tools, support, and guidance to break free from the dependency. Create clear boundaries with the person you're addicted to. Limit contact and set guidelines to protect yourself from falling back into old patterns. Prioritize self-care activities like exercise, meditation, and hobbies. Reconnect with your own identity and nurture your emotional well-being. Surround yourself with friends and family who can offer understanding and encouragement. Support groups can also provide a safe space to share your experiences. Recovering from addiction to a person is a challenging process, but with determination and the right support, you can regain control of your life. Remember, healing takes time, and setbacks may occur. Stay committed to your recovery journey, and over time, you'll find yourself becoming stronger and more independent. You deserve a healthy, fulfilling life, and it's within your reach.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.